I'm Sabir Saleem, CEO of MBUZZ. MBUZZ is an entity headquartered in Saudi, Riyadh, having operations all over GCC, some part of Europe and Far East. When we started operation, we were purely working with telcos. The vision was everything will be on mobile. So it's mobile buzz. This was our vision when it came up with the name MBUZZ. Continuing with our business, we were purely working with telcos in Saudi, especially STC, Mobily and Zain. We were into VAS, we were into network building. We have done massive projects in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, including like Royal Palaces, Princess Noura University, the biggest airport in the region, which is King Abdulaziz International Airport. So we build the 4G infrastructure and the fiber backbone for majority of those buildings in Mecca as well. 2018, we had a global expansion plan. We opened up office in Dubai and other parts of the region with the sales team. So getting into a product distribution, again, it's a part of a strategy shift. As a telco player, we find 5G revolution is more like open source and it will have a lot of IT potential into it. To get a edge on that business, we thought of getting into product distribution, getting some server brands and some networking brands with us. We also invested in a couple of startups in Silicon Valley, which will contribute to the data center business or 5G core networks like UPF or software-defined fabric. This was the fuel to get into a product distribution. Then we expanded the distribution into multiple business units, into components, into client computing, into surveillance, security, storage. So today we carry 40 plus brands in product distribution. We have MBUZZ Labs who do like a system integration or custom built systems. We have our pre-sales, post-sales solution architect team. Today, we are catering almost 50 plus countries, almost 1,600 customers. As we all know, 2020, COVID hits and majority of the businesses, governments, people got impacted due to COVID. But we find that time to explore more on AI business, especially on the NVIDIA side. That is the time we met with NVIDIA team and understand the future potential coming up on the AI and GPU clusters. So that moment onwards, I would say Q2, end of Q2 2020 onwards, we started investing heavily on gaining knowledge over NVIDIA. We spent literally 2 years investing on the people, training our team to get into a AI ecosystem. So today we have 50 plus resources certified by NVIDIA on technical sales, solution architect, post-sales, managed services, deployment team. And we are catering multiple customers. We are catering cloud partners, we are catering enterprise customers, we are catering research, universities, not only in Saudi, we have customers in Europe, we have customers in Far East. So we are expanding our global reach with this capability. We are also a NVIDIA AI advisor partner. So NVIDIA choose only one partner in each region in this competency. So MBUZZ was chosen as the AI advisor with our capability to cater this region. We have a team strength of 500 people distributed globally. We have almost 100 resources working from our Dubai office. We have our logistics, which is based out of Jebel Ali. We have a full-fledged operational warehouse in Jebel Ali. We have our credit and finance team. We have our pre-sales solution architect team. We have a pool of sales team working in different verticals. Our strength is trained or experienced resources from the industry, 15, 20 years experience. Beginning of 2024, we decided to get into client computing rather than distributing only components. So we had a shift in beginning of 2024 to get more focus on this region, trying to maintain our existing product distribution and components. We still want to get more into client computing. Today, we get a good edge on that business. We are serving a lot of universities, engineering companies on high performance client computing. MBUZZ expertise with the support of the labs is to design a good compute ecosystem to cater the end customers. So we can cater a small researcher with a single workstation with limited number of GPUs to cloud partners or enterprise partners with thousands of GPUs. We deal with finished products from Supermicro, ASUS, NVIDIA, DGXs, depends on the customers. We also build a customized PCs with, say, A5880 GPUs. Why A5880? As we all know, we have GPU restrictions from US government. Certain GPUs, it need a longer lead time. So we always recommend or support our customers to design the system with the availability of the GPU allowed for this region. So we are catering university research labs, building their AI labs with the ecosystems for storage, with some software stacks which will help the students or researchers to do their research activity. We also give remote access, NVIDIA A100 workstation with 4 GPUs. We have it in our Experience Center. So we give access to our customers to do some POCs test before they do a huge investment on their compute ecosystem. With the support of our entire distribution portfolio, you need a high performance storage when it comes to an AI compute ecosystem. So we work with multiple vendors like VAST, NetApp, Weka, DDN on a high performance storage. So we design a storage based on the customer need, and we integrate a lot of systems within in-house based on the customer need. We might use a 15 tera drive, 30 tera drive, 60 tera drive. With the partnership with Micron, this is our edge to build cost-efficient and high-performance system based on the customer need. We are catering even the customers in Europe. So recently, we announced a launch of sovereign AI data center in Sweden for a customer called 6G Digital or 6G AI, which will be launched by end of April. So we have our experience zone in MBUZZ, which helps our vendors to position their flagship products, help our customers to come and visit and experience their demo, which is happening in our Experience Center. Even though we are catering 40 plus brands within MBUZZ portfolio, in the Experience Center, we choose state-of-the-art product line to get experience with our customers. So almost 10 to 12 brands we are representing within the Experience Center. At any point of time, we have a capacity to host at least 12 vendors or product line within our Experience Center. So in 2025, we are looking to cater more on enterprise segments, finished products, rather than focusing on unfinished product distribution. So part of it, we are enhancing our pre-sales solution architect team to cater those segments. We are collaborating with multiple vendors globally in order to support our cloud partners or enterprise providers to provide multi-instance, multi-tenancy infrastructure. So we are doing, as we speak, we are doing a lot of tests in our lab to qualify such vendors globally, which will help our customers to generate additional revenue, plus to offer a state-of-the-art cloud infrastructure. Another highlight for 2025, we are looking forward to list MBUZZ in Saudi stock market, probably by Q3, Q4. In 2025, we are looking forward to achieve double-digit growth. All our success, I would like to dedicate to 3 pillars. Vendors who trusted on MBUZZ. I dedicate this to our customers, our customer relation. And last but not the least, I would like to dedicate this success to the entire MBUZZ team, from the management to the sales, pre-sales, finance, credit, the entire team who support the organization to get into this success story. Let's look forward for amazing partnerships, technology innovations, and success stories in ICT ecosystem.